appearance or your self-confidence is going through your closet and either donate or throw away anything that has imperfections, whether it be a hole, a stain. I used to make excuses like, oh, I'll just wear this shirt when I go to bed or when I go to the gym. And the thing is you never know when it's going to be your day. So, excuse the hiccups, but I strongly recommend throwing away anything that is imperfect, because if you think about somebody high caliber, which you want to be, they don't have imperfections on their clothes. Would a millionaire wear a shirt like with a hole in it because it's worth $10,000? No. So you shouldn't, because that's who you're becoming.